how do you request for a user or a page token for Graph API? Okay, so you will need a Facebook account, you need a Facebook developer account, an app, and then you create the token. And the last thing you need to do is to extend the token for a long time usage. So I'm going to be walking us through on how to get this user or page token. So the first thing you do is just open web browser. Currently, I'm using Google Chrome, and then just type Facebook developer. Okay, as you can see, and then just click on this. Now you must have a Facebook account before you can do this. So first thing you need to do is to create a Facebook account, and then you come to developers.facebook.com. I will include the link to this site in the description below. All right, so just come to my apps and then create a new app. Now this app helps you to interact with Facebook Graph API. So you're just going to going to give this app a display name, as you can see. So I'm just going to name this Cndro. Okay, and then this is the email attached to my Facebook account. And then I'm going to create an app ID. So just complete the security check to ensure that you're not a robot, okay? And then hit the submit button. Okay, so we have our app created already. As you can see, the two apps I've created, these are created before now. And then you can see this new Cndro app. All right, so we're going to click on Cndro app and see what we have. So you can see our ID, right? This is the ID for our app. And then you come to tools and go to Graph API Explorer. Okay, so this is where we're going to be getting our user or page token. As you can see, the Facebook app I have here is this, and I'm going to change it to Cndro. Okay, so now you see I don't have an access token, right? And you can see here, you can see user or page token. So I'm just going to click on let's say user access token, and then it's going to ask me to verify my account. So continue, and then you can see an access token has been generated for me, right? So you are going to have to add permissions to this token, and for each permission you add, a new access token is being generated. So you can see you have three type of permission: the user data permission, the event group pages permission, and other permissions. So under the user data permissions, you can see the several permissions we have here. You can see if somebody wants to check, if you want to check your user likes, you have to grant your app the permission to be able to do that. So you just have to mark this, okay, just like this, and then you mark the other fields you want to see in your app. Okay, so I'm just going to do this, and then you can see the new permission I added was the user like permission, and then I get access token. So I'm going to continue. All right, so you see I have a new access token, and then I'll copy it, right, and I'll go to my tools and access token debugger, right? So when you get to tools, access token debugger, you can see the API version currently is version 6.0. You can see the other versions we've had before now. All right, so you're just going to paste your access token here. Remember the user access token. Okay, and then you click on debug. Okay, so now you have debugged your user access token, and then you click on extend access token to extend the expiration of your access token. All right, so I'm just going to click on expiration and then put in my password. Right, so you can see now, and then you click on debug. You can see when our user access token was issued, and you can see when it's going to expire. If you do not extend your access token, it's going to expire in the next hour. All right, so let's try to do that for, let's create a user, let's create a page token. Okay, so it's going to come here, click this, right? So we go to tools again, we go to Graph API Explorer, and then you can see user our page here, and then we click on get page access token. You have to confirm again. This is the page now, so you can see confirming that I am linked to that page. So I'm just going to, this is the page I'm linked to, Cndro LLC. Yeah, that's my company, and then take the checkbox, and then I hit on the next button. All right, so you can see some of the permissions below have not been approved for use. You just click on done, and then we'll be fine. Okay, so you've now linked Cndro to Facebook. All right, so I've linked my page, which is Cndro, to Facebook. All right, so just it's the OK button, and then I have the page. Just going to go back and click on Cndro, and then this is the page access token. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this, just like what we did for the user token. I'm going to go back to my tools, access token debugger, then I'm going to paste it here, debug, extend my access token, and then debug. And this will extend the time at which my page token is going to expire. Right, so that's basically how to get a page or user token and how to extend it. All right, so see you next time.